two of the world's most illustrious and iconic brands, on the verge of making history. As they break boundaries never believed possible, another world record is broken. The sky is no longer the limit. This is Burj Benghazi Jacob & Co. Residences. An architectural tour de force. The culmination of the brand's signature collection. The crown jewel of Dubai's skyline. Paving the way for a new era in upper crust real estate. The latest hyper tower forms a seamless contour in the heart of Dubai. Rising ostentatiously above the world, live amidst the clouds, with boundless views to the world's most iconic city. The hyper tower's diamond-shaped spires pay homage to the design of Jacob & Co.'s finely cut and intricately finessed gems, illuminating unrivaled opulence. With their voluptuous constructive display, elevating the notion of an ultra-modern, exuberant lifestyle. Welcome to Burj Benghazi Jacob & Co. Residences. Inspired by the impossible.